Market's dead. Elon Musk does a little manipulating, and oil has a little bit of a reversal. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update. And well, we had markets were much lower overnight, and of course, by the end of the day, they had rallied back a little bit. Russell making a new all-time high once again. The Nasdaq flirting with positive territory. The Dow, again, the weakest performer of all, and you can blame it on the trade talks if you want. It just could be a little profit-taking, because one thing we know for sure, there's no fear in this market. All right? When the VIX index continues to fall, that tells you that there is no fear in this market. In the meantime, Elon Musk decided to warn off the short sellers, and of course put a hell of a short squeeze on Tesla today, up about 12 bucks, and of course warning that in 3 weeks something's going to happen. Well, we'll see. Again, that could be construed as some manipulation. Maybe you wanted to sell some stock. Who knows? I mean, again, those kind of statements are totally ridiculous and uncalled for. And when I hear them, it just reminds me of the big banks and how they try to manipulate markets as well. So we'll see how that all plays out. To me, Tesla would still be a short. And again, the way you short it is you do it through options so that you keep your risk down so you can't get blown out of the water. But in the meantime, oil was down about $1.40 overnight, reversed all the way back up, and actually closed up on the day. So a little bit of a key reversal, but no surprise. I mean, we wouldn't be surprised to see it print close to 67 again and look for another opportunity to sell it. We think oil is going a lot lower from here. And again, a little rally shouldn't affect you if the pattern says that we're going lower. And I think we are going much lower. We got the OPEC meeting this week, but we'll see how that all plays out. Bonds were higher, lower, and close somewhere near around the flat line. But as we're watching the yield curve, it is starting to invert. The twos are 2.5, 255, and the 10s are 290. Not a very good spread. You want to put your money in at 10 years at 2.9. You want to put it at 2 years at 2.55. So we're seeing a lot of issues out there. But again, we're going to stay neutral. We're going to stay observant. We're not going to get too crazy here because, again, without volatility, markets themselves are very unforgiving. And they're much more of a challenge to trade. As an investor, you continue to hedge and stay in your positions and don't worry about it. As a trader, this makes for very, very rough trading times. The grains, under pressure again. Soybeans did come off the deck, but certainly the soybean rally was not good enough based on where we've been. But we are actually looking to be buyers of grains on these levels, especially wheat and corn. Soybeans are still a bit of a problematic, but I think that they'll probably see a pretty healthy rally at least one day this week. The question is trying to time out and get near the bottoms there. Meats higher again. Hogs up over 83, which we think we're going to 85. Fats and feeders, watch 106 in the fats, watch 150 in the feeders. But again, we like the space. We think they're going higher there as well. Bitcoin up a little bit today. A little bit of a reversal, but there's a lot of good news for the cryptocurrency world. So certainly something to think about and something to look at, and certainly more of a bullish sign than anything else. And of course, we believe that they've bottomed anyway, so we're looking to be buyers. We really have to be careful here as the markets are being totally driven on news items overnight, and they spend the rest of the day trying to make back. So again, we're going to remain neutral and observant as we watch the dollar try to break through 95. And we watched the 10-year going to try to go back through 3 because that still is our black swan event, but we haven't gotten there yet. So in the meantime, let's be neutral, observe, and look for the right opportunities. This is Bubba's Daily Update. Todd Bubba Horwitz, and of course, don't forget our high school investing program, highschoolinvesting.com if you want to check it out. And you can go to Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba Trading if you'd like to help us out. In the meantime, don't forget to catch the Bubba Show every day from 4 to 5 Eastern at libertytalk.fm. This is Todd Bubba Horwitz, Bubba's Daily Update. We'll see you back here tomorrow. And congratulations to Brooks Koepka, won the U.S. Open. Hell of a golf course. Hell of a game. We'll see you later, everybody. Have a great day.